Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your OBS Studio from crashing on Windows 11. So, when you launch OBS, yes, you're going to get this message that says OBS has crashed, yada yada yada. This part right here, I wonder if I can scroll it for you guys. This part right here will just lead you to a text file, but unfortunately that text file doesn't actually exist, so if you want to see it, you have to manually open Notepad. Okay. So you have to manually open Notepad. And pin this to my taskbar. And then you can say yes. And then hit Control V on your keyboard to paste it. And yeah, it's pretty much pointless to look at it unless you really need to look at it, but really you don't, so this isn't necessary, so you don't need to save it, you don't need it, so I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that. So what do, you will open your File Explorer, go to this PC, go to your C, click on your C drive, go to Program Files, scroll all the way down till you see OBS Studio, all lowercase. Click on OBS Plugins. Click on whatever bit you have, whether if it's a 64-bit version or the 32-bit version. It'll be the same thing for both. And then you want to scroll all the way down until you see this file right here. OBS-QB. Yeah. You want to scroll until you see that file right there. And then, what do you want to do? You want to drag it out onto your, oops. You want to drag it out of that folder and just onto your desktop. You're going to get this box, just click on continue. And then boom. The reason why you're not going to delete that file is because I'm actually in the OBS Discord server. If you want, I can leave a link down in the description for you to join that as well, just so that you guys can be a part of the OBS community server on Discord. And then that way, if you guys have any other questions relating to OBS Studio, you can just ask in the Discord server. So again, the link to join the OBS Discord server will be down in the description below. Alright. Let me just refresh this real quick. Okay. There we go. Alright, now when you open OBS, yes, it should load up. So, yeah, that's a quick way. So yeah, that's basically how you can fix your OBS Studio from crashing on Windows 11. And in case you're wondering how I figured it out, is basically I just reported it in the OBS Discord server, and I actually open up Discord. Hold on, let me get it loaded up here. And so now I can go to the OBS server, and then I clicked on Windows support, and then this guy right here, he was the person that helped me with that problem, but more than likely somebody else will help you. But yeah, so if anything, if you have anything else pertaining to OBS Studio, you can just ask in the Discord server, rather if you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Like, they have support channels for all three versions of OBS Studio. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and speaking of Discord servers, I have one of my own that's actually right here, so if you guys want to join it, that will also be linked down in the description below. And I recently announced that my official Roblox group is now out on Roblox. So if you play Roblox, you can join my Roblox group. The link to that will also be down in the description below. So yes, there will be 3 links in the description. My Discord server, the OBS Discord server, and then my Roblox group. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, rather if it's here on MMG Tutorials, or my gaming channel, Magic Micro Gaming, which, again, the link to that, every link is always in the description, so just look out for that, for any links that I talk about in each video. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you'll always be notified whenever I upload a video, and make sure that bell icon is set to all, because otherwise YouTube will not notify you whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.